Okay, hi. Okay, so it's probably echoey in here. This is our guest room in our new apartment. This is my best friend. I know, it's a dog. So anyways, welcome to my channel. I have struggled to say that because I watch so many YouTubers, and every time I go to do my makeup, like before I decided I wanted to record, I would be like, welcome to my channel, as like a joke. And now I'm actually saying it, and I don't even know if anyone's gonna watch this, so saying welcome to my channel is like me saying that to myself. I don't really know what to do for my first video. I'm going to try to put together this makeup look. You might not even like it. That's fine. So I'm not one of those people that only buys high-end makeup. I buy a lot of off-brand and I make it work, but I also love like name brand things, so you'll see. This is also my first time editing a video, so if it sucks, don't tell me, because I'll get better, okay? My channel will mostly consist of probably makeup. I'm gonna do some vlogging. You know, my life's not that exciting, but I do have some exciting news for the future that I will be recording once I want to. He's a sweetheart. Anyways, so mostly vlogging and makeup. Whatever vloggers do, I'm gonna try to do it. If you like this look, or you just want to watch to laugh at me, keep watching and you'll see what I came up with. Also, I love this sweater. Got it at Target because I had a little Target haul. I will do clothing hauls as well when that day comes. But this is from Target because I didn't have any sweaters. Like, I don't own any sweaters, so I went to Target and I went off. I went off at Target and I got many sweaters and some things for our apartment. So I'll do one day when the apartment is complete and beautiful and clean, I'll do an apartment tour as well, because I love going to TJ Maxx and Target and Marshall's and making this place super cute. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, obviously, so that I can get more viewers. And thanks guys for watching. Okay, so first I go in with some moisturizer. I just use a little Clinique and then the spray. Mixing it together makes it super moisturized, and I love that. After that, I go in with my Optical Illusion Primer, which I'm obsessed with. It literally blurs everything on your face. After that, I use the Your Skin Forever foundation, which I really love. Sometimes I use a beauty blender, but other times I just use my brush. And then I use the Chart Shape Tape Concealer. I go under my eyes and my T-zone and a little on my chin, and I just blend that in. Next, I'm using my Airspun powder, which I also love. That's another off-brand, just from Walmart is where I get it. And I just set under my eyes and carve out my contour zone. Then I go in with my favorite palette, the Norvina palette. It's my favorite at the time. I go in with Love as the base coat, and then I go in with the darker shade. And I just blend it out. I'm really just blending, and it's kind of hard to see on here. That darker shade is called Passion. Then I go in with my Fix Plus spray on a flat brush, and I go into the color Wild Child. It's a light pink and I'm obsessed with it, and I just put that in the center. Then I go in with my brows, and I use an Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I love. I've tried the dip brow and I don't like it personally for my eyebrows. This one is just super easy to blend and works great with my eyes. Then I go in with the Butter Bronzer, which is also from Walmart. I go in with a Buff Up brush that I got from Ulta. And after I do the bronzer, I just wipe away all of the setting powder that I had and just add some more bronzer. Then I have these two. I have the Shade and Light palette or the off-brand one, which you can get at Walmart. And they're identical. Honestly, I prefer the off-brand one better, mostly. It's way cheaper and it works just the same. And I'm just adding a little more contour and on my nose as well. Then after that I can go in and get my under eyes with the palette. And I just use the darker shade that I used last, and then I go in with the lighter shade that I started with. Then I use my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, which are the best, and I just get all of the excess off of my lips. Then I go into my eyeliner, which I do super quick and fast, and I didn't even show it all because you don't really need to see that. And I did my eyelashes with mascara from Walmart. Then I also used the Milani blush, which I also got from Walmart, and I love this blush. Then I use the Anastasia Glow Kit as my highlight, and I go in with a lighter shade, and then honestly, after I do that, I just touch all of the other shades and mix them together, because you can never have too much highlight in my opinion. Just rub it in and put it on there. It's my favorite. Then I always have to wipe off my nose rings because I always get makeup on them. And as you can tell, I got excited because I found this super good smelling lip gloss that I forgot I had. It's from Walmart, I can't remember the brand, it's worn away, but it is so good. It smells so good. After I put this on, I found a darker shade in the same kind that I added to my lips if it looks different. And then I use my all-nighter setting spray and set the face. And that is the final look. I hope you guys liked it.